guys, welcome to Become a Techie YouTube channel. In the previous video we have seen how to format the data in the Excel worksheet and make it more presentable, and in this video we are going to see how we can insert various shapes and how to format the images and shapes and make the Excel sheet look very interactive and presentable. So let's get started. So this is the sheet that we have created in the previous video. Now that we want to insert some shapes, we can go into this insert tab in the ribbon section, and then here we have an illustration section where we can just expand it, and here we have options for inserting pictures, shapes, icons and 3D models. So right now I am choosing this pictures, and we again have three options, that is insert picture from this device. So basically whatever pictures or images are saved in our laptop or computer, so those images we can select and add it to our worksheet. The second is stock images, and the third is online pictures. So in case you have your OneDrive account, then you can choose an image from online web browser, that is Bing or any web browser. So I'll show you how to insert an image from our local machine or our local computer. So I'm choosing this option, and I have already downloaded one image or saved one image into my machine. So I'll choose this and I'll just click on insert. So this is how my image looks here. It is a bit bigger, so I am just resizing it, yeah, and I am placing it here, yeah, because if I reduce it further, it will be very tiny and I won't be able to read it. So I'm going with this size and I am just placing it here. So this is how we can insert an image that is already saved into our machine. If you want an image that is not saved in your machine but you want to search for it online, then you can choose this online pictures option, and then you will have a variety of images that are already there, but only the precondition for it is that you should have a OneDrive account that is synced with your machine. So you have various options here, you can choose from any. You can also search here something like bills, and then you will get a list of images. You can choose from any, and then you can select this, and then you can just click on insert, so it will get inserted into the worksheet. So I am not going with this, I am just closing it. Okay, so this is how you have inserted an image. Now let's see how to insert shapes. So here again go to illustrations and you have the shapes option, expand it, so you will get a variety of shapes here. So I am choosing this block arrow here and I am selecting it, and then I just have to click at the position where I want to paste that shape. So here I am pasting it. Okay, basically I want to highlight this 61.3%, which is the maximum percentage that I have spent on house rent. So yeah, this is how I am just resizing a little bit, yeah, and then I don't want the blue color, so I am choosing this dark red, yeah. So yeah, I have highlighted this 61.3%, which is the maximum expense on house rent that I have spent. So this is how I have inserted a shape. I am also interested in highlighting this total, so I'll again go to insert, illustrations, shapes, and I'll choose this rectangle with rounded corners, and I will paste it here. So you can see a rectangle is added, but it is like a solid rectangle, and I just cannot see the values because it is fully filled. So I will just go with the shape fill and then no fill. So yeah, you can see a border is only created for it, but then it is not very prominent, so I will go with this color, and I will again give shape, outline, weight. So I want a thick border, so I will go with this 3 points. Yeah, and then I can just adjust it a little bit. Yeah, so this is how I have highlighted the total area with a shape. And I have also inserted an image, I have also inserted an arrow. So this is how I have inserted and formatted the shapes. Like I have used a no fill, I have used a border, I have customized the border according to my need, I have customized the arrow with the color that I want. So this is how I have inserted and customized or formatted the shapes also. Now there is one more option that Excel gives you, which is a more streamlined option, which is SmartArt. So again, go to insert illustrations, and then we have an option for SmartArt here. So go to the SmartArt, and here you can see a variety of SmartArt graphics available for you. So these are basically some of the diagrams that are already provided by Excel to you. If you look at this, you have list here of which is a variety of lists options that you get here. Then you have processes, so you have process diagrams here, you have cycles, so some cycles like this, then you have relationship, then you have pyramid, matrix, and many more. So I am just going to this processes, and I am selecting some process arrow diagram here for the demonstration purpose. I am selecting this one. So this gives me a preview like how it will look, and then there is also some information like it uses to show information illustrating a process or workflow. So when you want to create a workflow kind of diagram, you can choose this. Level 1 text appears in the circular shapes, level 2 appears in the arrow shapes, and so on. So you can read this information, and you can select which is the most suitable diagram for your Excel worksheet and your need. So accordingly you can choose from these. There are a lot of options available here. I'm just going with this one, or maybe this one. Yeah, this one looks good, so I'm going with this, and I'm just selecting okay. Okay. Yeah, so here you can see there is one box here which gives me the uh, which allows me to enter some text, and here you can see is the diagram. So for example, I am in the process of creating a document and sending it to my boss for review. So I can just put here like create doc, then I can give here like send for review. Okay, so I can edit it like this, but now I want another heading here. So you can see these hollow circles are the headings, and filled circles are the sub steps, we can see. So you can add and remove also from here. So if you want to add, you can just click on enter, and you can see here one more step is added. If you want to delete it, you can just demote it from here, or you can delete it. So you have this SmartArt design where you have a number of options here. You have promote, you have demote, you have move up. So you can see move up has created another step, and you know a third step is added. So this is how you can use it and explore it. Here I am just giving something like prepare initial draft, then you can give your send for peer review. So likewise you can customize your diagrams and create more streamlined and beautiful diagrams within a very short period of time. Here you also have an option for change colors. This is under smart art design, so you can make this beautiful by adding some colors to your diagram. You also have smart art styles here, where you have 3D angles, where you have you can choose any of these to make it more beautiful, colorful and attractive. So you can add colors and make it look very beautiful. So you have this smart art provided by Excel to create such diagrams and make your Excels look very attractive, presentable and easy for the customers. So just try it, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the video, and stay tuned for more such amazing tips and tricks for Excel. Thank you.